Hello, ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and it is Santa Claus time. Yes, it is time for free GameDev assets. We got 3 free from Epic Games for the Fab Marketplace. We got free from Unity. Got a couple of bundles with free tiers. Got some new other assets, etc. And let's just jump in and take a look at it. Today, we're going to have a bit of a first. I'm going to show you an asset exported out to the Godot game engine that actually seems to work better in Godot. Go figure on that one. And then it's this guy right here. This is the Cubicose Cube World. So it's everything you need to create this kind of assets. And as you can see, for some reason, in Unreal Engine 5.7, the emissive values of this lava is really bad. But as you can see, you can actually export these out to other engines, like you see right here. There is the lava actually working. So you can see here, you can get these out into other engines. So if you are not already doing so, hoard, and hoard some more. You can legally do this, by the way. Also, of course, you could use Unreal Engine at some point in the future, even if you aren't now. So make sure you pick these up. By the way, on this particular asset, there's actually a Unity version of it available directly from Fab as well. With all these assets, you have until September the 8th to air quotes buy them. So just so you know, that is the end result here. This one is one map you can create from these assets. Here is another. Here is another. So if you're creating a cartoony style cube-based world, a number of assets there to get you up and going. So that is asset number one. Next one is this sci-fi world. Let's go ahead and check out example room here. And this is a combination of equipment you need to create a lab. And then we have some creatures that are not having a good day. We got this hologram going on here as well. And we've got a number of creatures basically in jars. So if you're doing a sci-fi lab, obviously you're getting the special effects for the goo that is holding these things, or bubbles, air bubbles inside. The hologram effect, once again, for a different mesh could be useful there. So this is one of the demo maps. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. Gives you another idea. Once again, mostly just different lighting going on at this point in time, I think. Let's go ahead and turn on game mode. So you get an idea. Again, holograph versions of meshes and the environment that you're looking at. And then your overview map. This is what's contained. So again, the holograph maps, the other creatures right there, and then, of course, the containers they're in, and then everything you need to modularly build the environment that we were just looking at. And then our final one here, this is actually an attribute system. So this one requires you to create as project, which is frustrating. So if you want to, you can't just simply import this into your project. You need to create it as a new project and then export it out accordingly. And give an idea of what this one's all about. This is a game system for creating everything you see here. So you look at the bottom right corner, you've got things like health, stamina, and so on. And then we got things like over here, I can go in here, and I'm going to start taking damage. You're going to notice that little cross at the bottom right corner, the red one, is draining down. And then we've also got, for dealing with those attributes, I can go ahead and pick something up, such as that first aid kit, and then consume it, and then you're going to see our health popped right back up to normal. So that is one of the things they do here. We also got tools for dealing with regeneration. A lot of this is repetitious with how it works. So here's the same concept, but this is going to take away your oxygen. You're going to notice the O2 levels going down below. You can also have things like stamina. So here, this will drain our stamina down. We can toggle the functionality on and off by going out of there. Same thing, mana, hydration. So if you're dehydrated, you can do it right there. And then again, you can pick items up and then inventory for them and then consume them, and then your hydration will go back. So if you're doing a survival style game, anything like that, again, we got food. We got various different energy. We've also got the ability to pick weights up. As I pick more weights up, I will slow my character down as I walk. So dynamic inventory. We have falling damage from this as well. So boom. And you can see my health went down a little bit. And we got a number of other effects. So you can see here, healthy, sick, poisoned, wounded, drunk. All right, we got to stop there for a second. So there, we're drunk. So let's do the rest of this with drunk on. So we got infected, bleeding, fatigued, and then over here, we've got various different effects you can add. So on fire, for example, adding on fire, and then I'm going to take damage. I can turn off on fire. A very useful system, very common things you need to implement in your game. Then we got various different temperature settings you can do here, add and remove temperature as you go. We've got equipment system. We saw a little bit of that in action earlier on. Potions. Works with everything else you got here. And then finally, a pawns in radius component. So that all goes together. This one is called the Hyper Attribute Manager. So that's it for the hands-on portion here. Once again, a reminder, you can export out, obviously not that last one because it is entirely Unreal Engine only, but you can get the other assets out to other engines. The guides for that are available down below if you want to see how you can go about doing that. And then our other freebies this bi-week, we've also got the Publisher Asset Store giveaway for Unity. If you use the code EricWang2026 at checkout, you can get the Game VFX Buff Collection. Again, it's a number of particle systems, various different particle systems you may wish to use on your character. Pretty straightforward stuff overall. Another thing we've got is Bundle Foundry. Bundle Foundry has all kinds of bundles going on. A really cool thing that Bundle Foundry do, though, is for their new bundles, they make at least a certain amount of a free tier available. So the new ones we're talking about this week are this one. So this is the Mega Rural Unreal Engine Environment Bundle. So if you're an Unreal Engine developer, you've got a number of different rural environments here if you're looking for that. That's exactly what is here. And they're going to notice there is 564 left at the free tier right here, which is this Winter Ground Pack asset right here. Pretty straightforward, number of materials and so on for creating tundra and frost and snow-covered peaks and so on. And then the other one we've got here, this one is the Unreal Engine Art Tutorials and System Mastery Bundle. So this one is a number of courses and so on for creating environments, vehicles, and so on. And then at the free tiers right here, no limit on this one, you've got the Create Stunning Unreal Engine's environment in Unreal Engine 5, the Art Director's Guide to Environments. So if you're interested, basically you can pick this one up. It's a free 39-page ebook that shows you how to go about creating environments. Very cool there. And of course, the full bundles are available. There are a number of other bundles out here as well that are ongoing. I think I've covered most of them in previous videos, just so you know. But generally, they have a free tier available. This one, for example, has 493 left. I will have links to those two new ones down below, but obviously there are other ones as well. By the way, if you do decide to go ahead and purchase any of these bundles, it does support me, and I appreciate that very much. All right, moving on. Kenney has an update. His Scribble platformer expansion for creating a hand-drawn type map has got I think this is brand new. All 70 items for it are new. So if you're looking to do a sketch-style game, he's got that as well. Speaking of Kenney and not Godot, which we weren't talking about, but the Godot Asset Store continues to get more freebies as well, including, so the reason why we were mentioning this right now is Kenney has all of his starter kits are now available up there as well. So if you're looking for free assets for Godot, we got you covered there as well. Another one you probably want to check out, another creator, EMAC-E. All of his stuff is now available here as well. A lot of low polygon things for props and so on. When you click on him, you're going to notice all of his packs are now available on here as well. So if you're looking for free stuff for Godot, hey, we got you there as well. And then, of course, quick recap on the Fab Marketplace. Again, you have until September the 8th to air quotes, purchase them. They will be available for free. Just add it to, doesn't matter which version you pick, add it to cart, checkout, should be $0. And again, we've got the Attribute Manager or Attribute Manager. That one, again, Unreal Engine only. Then we have the Sci-Fi Creatures Research Lab. Again, Unreal Engine only, although this one should be pretty easy to export out. And then finally, we've got Cubicose, Cube World Assets. This one is Unreal Engine and Unity, but as you saw earlier on, Godot, no problems at all. This low polygon stuff almost always exports incredibly well, and this one is no exception. So ladies and gentlemen, that is the Fab giveaways and a couple of other freebies that are available out there right now. Let me know what you think of this bi-month free stuff. Also, how the hell am I supposed to title this one? Because it is coming out on like August the 25th. So I can't call it August free assets, and it's way too early to call it September free assets. So I don't know how to deal with these things going forward. Let me know what you think. I'll talk to you all later. Goodbye.